Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Sentra air filter. First, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a new air filter, and perhaps some gloves. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. You'll find the air filter housing under the hood, usually a black plastic box near the engine. It's a straightforward process that can save you money. Now let's open the housing. Depending on your Sentra model, you'll either unclip several metal clips or unscrew a few screws around the perimeter of the air filter box. Once all fasteners are loose, gently lift the top cover. You'll see the old, often dirty, air filter inside. Take a moment to observe how it sits in the housing. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old air filter. You might notice it's quite dirty, full of leaves or dust. Before installing the new one, take a clean cloth and wipe out any debris or dust from inside the housing. Now, place your new, clean air filter into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly and is oriented correctly, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to close everything up. Carefully lower the air filter housing cover back into place, making sure it aligns perfectly. Re-engage all the clips or tighten all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring the housing is sealed tightly. This prevents unfiltered air from entering your engine. Start your car to confirm everything is running smoothly. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.